Hey there. Do you drink? I could really eat something right now.
Look what I got. You seem strange.
I want to take a break. Look at that. That's cool. Did you see?
What a nice day.
Do you have any friends?
Want to be friends? Back off.
It's okay. Bruh,
Smell that?
did you see?
I'm tired.
Are you serious?
Do you know them?
I'm a bit sick.
That was before the outbreak.
Get out of here. Hmm. Yep.
Nah.
No.
Maybe. Why?
Are you serious? Smell that? Do you ever sit down?
I would rather not. Such a nice day.
Let's look for them. You're lying.
Yeah, you better get going. Do you work out?
Why do you look at me like that?
You smell strange.
Goodbye. I gotta go now. Do you come here often? You're getting on my nerves. That was before the outbreak. I don't want to see you around here anymore.
Leave me alone.